Market is tough. Margins are thin. Payments are slow. Stress is real. If this resonates with you, this is the story that you need to hear. This is way back in 1975 when John Ralph, an American copywriter, was sitting with his friends and they were all cribbing about one thing, about their pets. And this guy was just listening to all his friends crib about their pets. And he came up with an idea. He said, why don't you throw your pets out and buy a store and use it as your pet? The idea resonated with him and he started building a good story around this. Like whatever pain points were there of his friends, he started making stories of that. And what he did was, he bought some few pebbles from around his place and packaged it properly. He put it in a box which was well packaged, just like how you carry the pets around. He branded the box properly and it looked as if a box carrying a pet. And you know what? He also wrote a kind of a instruction manual in that. And the idea hit. This story often went so good that he made 4 million in 1 year. Think about it, friends. You have a product, you have a service, and this guy with just a stone built his business that was really profitable. Difference was, he talked about the problems the customers faced. He talked about the issues that the customers had and he offered a solution. Are you doing this in your business? If not, start doing it. And if you still want to buy a stone, it is available in Amazon. Look out for Pet Rock. It is available at 8,000 plus. It's selling. So if you can sell a rock at 8,000, I'm sure your solution can sell at a good price. Just change your story and see how business grows.